In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a password in Practice Better. If you can't remember your password or just want to update it for security, I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you can get back into your account quickly and safely. First, open your web browser and head to the Practice Better sign-in page. You can get there by typing the platform's name into your search engine and selecting the official sign-in link, or by using a bookmark if you've saved it. Make sure you're on the legitimate site before proceeding. On the sign-in page, look for the link labeled Forgot Password and click it. This is the shortcut to start a secure password reset. On some screens, especially on mobile, it may appear just below the login fields. Next, enter the email address associated with your Practice Better account. It's important to use the exact email you signed up with or currently use for the account. Double-check for typos before you click. Send reset link. If you have multiple emails, try the one you most often use for this service. Now, switch over to your email inbox and look for a message from Practice Better with a password reset link. If you don't see it within a minute or two, refresh your inbox, check your spam or junk folder, and search your mail for the platform's name. Some email providers can filter automated messages, so a quick search helps. Keep in mind that reset links typically expire after a short time, so open the newest message and click the link inside. If the link doesn't open, copy and paste it into your browser's address bar. This will take you to the password reset page. Here, create a new password that meets the requirements, at least 8 characters, with at least 1 uppercase letter and 1 number. For stronger security, consider adding a symbol and avoiding common words or personal information. A helpful approach is to use a short phrase and mix in numbers and uppercase letters. If you use a password manager, update your saved password so you don't lose track of it. Once you submit your new password, you'll see a confirmation that the reset is complete. From here, return to the sign-in page and log in with your email and the new password you just created. If your browser offers to save it, only accept on devices you trust. If you run into any issues, send yourself another reset link and try again, or visit the platform's help center for additional support. That's it. You've successfully reset your password and Practice Better.